So this is our Fly Pro Lite chest protector. Very similar to our Fly Pro chest protector, however, the padding on the top is a little bit different and it does not come with the arm protection. It has the level 2 protection we talked about with the Fly Pro chest protector, so it's CE certified level 2, so you can sell it as a chest protector. There are removable panels on the front and the rear for fitting a neck brace. Obviously that's a personal preference and personal fit. Basically this is very similar to the Fly Pro. The main changes are the shoulder and arm protection, which are removed. Leatt branded with Fly.